Hey guys, DMS3TV here. Today I'm going to show you guys a quick tip on how to take a single vocal track and double it and make it sound a little bit more natural. This could come up in situations where, say, if a client needs you to, after the song has already been recorded, go back and double vocals in a certain spot, or let's say if you just didn't have enough time to actually record multiple layers of vocals and you just need to go back and add something in quickly. This is a way that you can do this and make it sound a little bit more natural than if you just put a second track under it with a sample delay. So I'm going to start off here. I have a second track I've created, and I'm going to go on, and before I do anything, I'm going to put on a high-pass filter, and I'm going to filter out everything under 30 hertz. So let's click this, 30 hertz, type that in, and that's just going to make sure that in case there's any wind noise or just something really ultra-low frequency, it's not going to be taking up extra space that we could be using in our dynamic range. Now, that's more essential to mixing, but it's a good practice to just do that when you first create a vocal track of any type. Now I'm going to take this track right here, and I'm going to show you guys what normally a lot of people will do to try and create this doubled effect. Normally people will create a sample delay and add a slight delay like this onto it. So you would get something like this.
Watch closely, I'm a novelty, walking topic of philosophy, so I guess I'm Rap Socrates.
It doesn't sound very natural because everything is perfectly on time, everything's perfectly in sync, every single word is on the dot at the exact same point, it's just delayed by 19 milliseconds, which is not how multiple takes of a human voice will work. So let's take the part of the vocals that we want to double right here, and let's get rid of everything else. We don't need that right now. And the first thing I'm going to do is get rid of that sample delay, and we're going to lower the pitch just a little bit. So I'm going to open my pitch shifter, make sure that this is set to 0 semitones, 100% mix, and we're going to decrease it by 50 cents. And we're going to leave it at that with latency compensation turned on. Make sure you check that box. This is going to slightly decrease the pitch, and this is what we have now.
So I guess I'm Rap Socrates.
Just slightly decrease, because your pitch and your timing are going to vary from take to take. That's just how it is. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to open up flex time to make sure that it is applied to this track, which it is. And now I'm going to zoom in on our vocal take. Now, either side of this vocal take is going to get dragged out just a little bit like this. And what that's going to do is that's going to change the timing of the different words we're saying. Now, we can also go through and find different spots where they seem to line up really well and kind of throw the timing out just a little bit. We'll be making some words happen sooner, some happen later, but only by a very small margin. We don't want to throw it way, way out of whack, but we want to change things just enough so that it sounds like you were talking at a different speed from the previous take. And this allows for just a little bit of variation like what would happen in real life.
So I guess I'm Rap Socrates.
Perfect. Now this is a little bit of an exaggerated example. I might make it a little bit tighter than that, but we can already see that this sounds significantly more natural than our previous version. So let's listen to this bit of the verse and see what it sounds like.
Watch closely, I'm a novelty, walking topic of philosophy, so I guess I'm Rap Socrates.
Perfect. So that's really it. This is just a really quick and easy way to go through and double vocals and make them sound a little bit more natural without having to sacrifice a lot of time or have to go back and do a lot of re-recording. So guys, if you like this video, please leave a like down below and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. Until the next one, guys. Peace.